Yes. This kind of rice. This kind of, you see, this kind of rice with fresh vegetable. Then I got palm wine. This is palm wine. Palm wine. I got a palm wine. I got a palm wine from the market. So let me enjoy with my people. I went to the market today by myself. Woo-ha! Yeah. Went to the market by myself. Got this palm wine. It has been a very long time. I won't drink palm wine. They told me this is not original. Let me manage it. I feel like, because I want to just relax my head today. 2024. No grief for anybody. This is a fresh vegetable, eggs, a lot of things. No. Ready to eat rice. Look at this now. Just half done with egg. This year, I don't want grief for anybody. I don't want to grieve for anybody. No. Babe with my originator. You don't love finish now. Comment here. One love.